Welcome to Cooking with Fozz. I am your imaginary narrator for the day, Daniel. Let's say hello to Fozz.
Alright, welcome to Cooking with Fozz. On location today, looking for ingredients for my next meal. Not found anything yet.
What are you after? Fish? Wowza.
Bit of social distancing there. Having a good party.
This is my beach. This is why I've stayed in for 9 weeks. But I was just getting so fat that I needed to come out for a bike ride. But this is my normally secluded little beach.
It's nice or whatever, but I'm probably going to die.
Stay alert. Control the virus. Save lives.
You need to keep off the groins here. It's really busy down here. Fishermen.
Boats. Yeah. They're boats, aren't they? That's a pub. Love pubs.
Is that Dominic Cummings? That's Dominic Cummings.
Get back to your castle, you knobhead.
Is that Dominic Cummings?
Coming up to the nudist beach here, you see where all the pebbles are raised there. That's where all the chaps get their cocks and balls out. I've never seen any ladies there when I've had a peek. I'm not ever going to have a peek again. It was awful. Like, filming this for all the mini golf fans. This is the good one, which is nearer the marina, and then there's another crap one nearer the Palace Pier. I think I've always just played on the crap one. It's all crap really, mini golf. Waste of time when there's pubs open. Well, there's no pubs open now, there is there? I think that's the best thing in the world to do right now.
Need to brighten now. It's going to be crazy busy now. Every time to go home really. Everyone's spoiling my bike ride coming here. And that's what people do, isn't it? They do something in the moment, everyone else is doing it. I shouldn't be that guy really. I really just had to exercise. I had to go out. See, that's who is it? Steve, is that something? I can't remember. Some runner. I-360 there.
You hear that, isn't it? Make that out.
How does food work now? Are all takeaways allowed to be open? Is that the rule?
Look at this fella.
Just a normal food.
There's a festival around here. This time last year, Jazz and Funk Festival down on this beach. It's great weather for that as well. Now there's nothing here apart from loads of people spreading the lurgy. Shit times.
Well, there's no beds up to. Loads of people here.
Where's my polenta from day 13?
You were probably watching Cooking with Fozz
13, I'm thinking, what happened to that polenta? Well, welcome to day 14, I'll show you.
Oh, troublesome gear this is. But this Panzerfoot.
Hi, it's Daniel. Some personal fun fact you may not know about myself. I hate cats and dogs. I'm cruel to animals. I still wet my bed. I love starting fires and I have sexual predator type behaviors. Back when I was on meth, I used to be in a throuple with Joe Exotic.
Check this out. It's all about these things now, innit? You know what I mean? Right, check this out. That's my polenta. Too much, basically, too much. Standard. Right, with that, I'm going to stick it in the fridge or something. Alright. These polenta cakes should be ready now. Been setting in the fridge. Pretty exciting. Yeah, pretty good, isn't it? Right, so these are the polenta cakes. I'm just gonna pop that like that. Like that. Like that. Oops. Yeah. Do 4 of them. What I mean? And then I'm going to grill that and add it to a salad. Yummy.
And then go eat it with that.
Freezing these for another day now.
All into golden brown. You know what I mean? Yeah.
And really I should be eating this polenta with a really good quality Italian tomato based sauce, like ragu. I can't be arsed.
So this is the polenta now. I just tasted a bit and it was really crispy and really nice. It's kind of crispy on the outside but not on the inside. It's great. See my crispy bit there, but then it's not all crispy. Making a bit of a mess here, but it doesn't really matter. I told you before it didn't like that. Right. Come here, you bugger. It's hard to cook with one hand, I've told you this before as well. Jesus. Right, that's great, doesn't it? And then, just get your salad on. Yeah, know what I mean? Like that. And so mix it up and that, make it look better than it does. Yeah, it's all about presentation. It's not about presentation. And then, just have it, spill that everywhere. You know what I mean? You know what I mean.
Some dinner there. That's what whenever I'm not making cooking because I'm watching it.